Hi. Now the top 10 champagne of the world. Champagne is a sparkling wine made only in the Champagne region in France. Champagne was invented accidentally in 1693. There is always a reason to drink champagne. To celebrate a special occasion properly, make sure you choose the best champagne. Now the top 10 champagne of the world. I will start from the below. Number 10. Number 10 is Canard Duchesne. This well respected champagne brand is affordable and delicious. Located in Leudes, the house has been providing champagne since 1868. Not only they made it into the top 10 bestseller list, but they also were granted the right by the Russian imperial family to adopt its coat of arms as the family emblem. Now ninth number. On ninth is Lasson. It's founded in 1760. The Lasson house blends its champagne with Pinot Noir and Chardonnay for taste. Lasson uses the best grapes from the best plot to create a top 10 best-selling champagne brand. Now the eighth number. The eighth number is Pepper Heidsieck, the champagne brand of choice for Marilyn Monroe, Maria Antoinette, and all the stars at the Oscar. Pepper Heidsieck champagne is one of the most iconic luxury brand and favorite among fashion and luxury lifestyle brands. Now the seventh number. Seventh number is Pommery. Madame Pommery launched the successful champagne business with the help of Henry Weisner, a financial advisor. The rest is history, and in 2017, Pommery is the seventh best-selling champagne brand worldwide. Now the sixth one. Sixth one is Taittinger. Taittinger was one of the most famous family-run champagne brand. Rionnet and Taittinger are the only two family-run businesses on our list, and it is their Chardonnay blends that really set them apart from the rest. Now the fifth one, and fifth one is Laurent Perrier. Laurent Perrier champagne is one of the elegant extras in life, said Charles Dickens, and Laurent Perrier fits the bill. Founded in 1812, the house is iconic and interestingly is also has a low-calorie champagne brand favored by the fashion crowd, including Kate Moss. Now the fourth one, and the fourth number is GH Mumm. It is situated in Reims in northern France and is one of the largest champagne producer and is currently fourth globally based on the number of bottles sold in 2015. The company is owned by Pernod Ricard. Third number is Nicolas Fire. It is the best selling champagne brand in the drinks homeland of France. This brand is also one of the youngest in terms of champagne brand, founded in 1976. But that has not stopped it from reaching the top 3 on the best seller list. On second number is Veuve Clicquot. Veuve Clicquot, the Instagram generation has latched into the social element of Veuve Clicquot, from classic polo parties to Tiny Tampa's lyrics. Yes, Veuve is everywhere and it's made into the podium at number 2 in the list of 10. Now at the top is Moet and Chandon, thought by many to be the best champagne brand in the world, with brand ambassadors including Scarlett Johansson, Roger Federer, and sponsorship of some of the world's best events. It is no surprise that this luxury brand is top of the list, and it's Ice Imperial, the world's first ever champagne created specially to be enjoyed over ices and available in both rose and blanc. Thank you.